All right, take one, take one. Cut. Why is it so slow? Take. Cut. Why is it so fast? Take 3. Cut. Why does that sound so different? Take 4. Cut. Why is it 1% slower? Like it was like 0.95. Take 5. Cut. The Y's not supposed to turn into an X. Take 7. Cut. The W's not supposed to turn into an O. Take 8. Cut. The A is not supposed to turn into a B. Take 9. Cut. The U is not supposed to turn into an N. Take 10. Cut. The light is not supposed to stop. And why did it cover 2 letters? Take 11. Also known as the last take. Cut. So that's how you do it. I didn't expect you to get it so right so soon. And guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.